Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to give y'all an update on my experiences with the Galaxy Z Fold5. I've been using the device for about 2 weeks now, and I just want to have a friendly discussion with everyone and update y'all, on my experiences with the device. I decided to pick it up from Samsung and get the blue color. And yes, it's a nice color. I did get the 512 gigs of storage and 12 gigs of RAM. Now, the Fold 5 has been a discussion for a while now, especially because it just came out. Everybody's talking about it. But I want to update y'all on my experiences with the device so far. And we can definitely have a friendly discussion. The first thing I like always talking about is the display. We want to talk about the inner display first. It's a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED panel. It is Quad HD panel. It's one of the best panels out there. Multitasking on this thing is beautiful. Watching YouTube videos, Netflix is, there's nothing to compare to it. It's just a beautiful device. And watching videos on such a big screen is just a great thing. You do that with the stereo speakers, and you have a mini tablet in your hand that fits in your pocket because it folds. I don't know if y'all looking back in the day, they had a lot of Android tablets that was 7 point some inches, and this is 7.6 inch. So you have a tablet that fits in your pants. Pause. So the overall the main display is great. Now, where Samsung can change a little bit, and this is always a discussion with Samsung and the Fold 5 and the Fold series, is the outer display. They have been widening the display since the Z Fold 2, 3, and 4, but they did not really change it on the 5. Now, I do wish it was a little bit wider. It doesn't have to be a lot, though. I don't want a Passport phone. That's why you can pick up the Google phone, the Pixel Fold, if you want the Passport. But a little bit wider would be nice. And it would make the front screen a little bit more usable. I can still use it. I made videos about being too small. But you get used to it, using it daily. And you really get used to it. It's still a little bit hard to text on there. And if it was just a little bit wider, it probably could be better. Now on the Z Fold 6, some renders mention that it could be, coming out with a bigger outer display, but we will see. Now it is a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED panel, up to 120 hertz refresh rate, so it's a good panel. It could be just a little bit wider. Y'all let me know. It's a discussion everywhere. You turn on YouTube and you see everyone talking about the outer display. But the battery life with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor is good. I can get a day and a half of battery life with this phone now. And I don't really have any complaints about the battery life with this phone. There's no complaints. With the Snapdragon Gen 8, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, whatever they did it's just a great processor, and the overall performance too with the processor in here is just great. I need to do a gaming review, which I will do coming up soon. I will definitely do a gaming review, but the overall performance has been great. It doesn't overheat really. I went outside and filmed in 105-degree weather for about 10 minutes, and I had no issues there. Filming, heavy-duty content. I haven't even did an 8K video yet, but I need to do that too. But the overall Snapdragon processor is an upgrade from the Z Fold 4, period. I do like the build of this phone, the hinge, how it lays flat now. It's pretty much flat. You don't have no big gap in between the two screens. That is a big upgrade. Where they can improve to is just the overall crease size and how much you can feel it when you rub your finger across the crease. That could be improved, but you know, Samsung is working on all of that. Everyone has that problem, but Samsung seems to have the biggest problem with that. So I can't wait to see what they keep on doing. I don't know if Samsung ever going to do what everybody wants them to do. It's their company, but every year it seems like they have been improving somewhat on this device. Maybe it's minor improvements, but they have been improving on it. The one thing that we all wish for is better cameras with the Fold lineup. Now, these are not Galaxy S23 cameras, but they're better than what you got on the Z Fold 4. It's with the Snapdragon again. The pictures look better. The video, this is the video right now. I'm shooting this in 4K 60 on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So y'all let me know how this video looks and sounds, because I'm not using any external mics or anything. So y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. So the cameras could be definitely better, but they're not horrible. They are actually pretty decent, especially with the Snapdragon processor again. They figured out the algorithms and everything else to make these pictures look good and the video to come out great. I know Jay Will actually films on the S23 Ultra, but I know he can film, I mean, he does videos with the Z Fold 5 too for his channel, so you can use these for your channel if you're making a YouTube channel. The other thing that people always want to talk about is the price of the phone. They haven't really increased the price at all if you think about it from the Z Fold 3. It's pretty much been $17.99, $18.99, between that price range. And that's what it is now, but you have so many trade-ins, deals that you can get. Like I got my phone for, I'm thinking, what, $7.99? Plus I got another discount from Samsung too, so I think I paid like $7.49 because I traded in my S23 Ultra and got $1,000. So the trade-in values are there to get this price down. So for me, I think the price is going to be the price, and you know, if you don't want to pay that price, you don't have to. Get the S23 Ultra, or you know, buy a S22 and save you some money. Buy a Z Fold 3 and save you some money if you want to get into the folding game. The other thing that I'm gonna try to answer today, but it's always up to y'all and up to your own pocket. Should you upgrade from the Z Fold 4? Normally I try to stay away from that question. I don't try to tell people what they can do with their money, and I'm still not going to do that. But if you had the Z Fold 4 and you're happy and content with the Z Fold 4, then keep it. You don't have to upgrade. You're not going to miss out on much from the Z Fold 5, except for the things I mentioned. But if you like the Z Fold 4, you're not, you know, a tech enthusiast, and you don't want to trade your phone in or do any of the, you know, upgrades or any of the deals that they have, then keep your Z Fold 4. Wait until the Z Fold 6 comes out and then trade it. I had someone with the Z Fold 3 that didn't want the 4. Now he has the 5 coming in. So make it a 2-year deal for you. Now, if you want the latest and greatest, and you're like myself, go for it. You won't be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. You will think it's an upgrade, and you will enjoy the phone. So y'all do what y'all want to do. Look, when it comes to these phone games, you play the games how you want it to. You upgrade when you want to. I'm here just to give y'all a little bit of insight. Y'all do your homework. Y'all, you know, see if you want to upgrade. Check out the cameras. Hear people's advice on battery life. The software, all of that is still Samsung software. Do your homework. Make your decision up there. But I'm going to end the video now. Overall, I'm enjoying it. There's no major flaws with this device yet. We'll see how the hinge hangs in there and everything else after using it for a couple months. But let's have a friendly discussion. Let me know what color you picked, what size of phone you got. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Z Fold 5, the Flip 5, and every other device coming out. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @4sreviews, because become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.